Good evening. We're on the Euro USD. We're going to demonstrate today how and when to take a trade, what not to take, what probabilities to look for. Right now, we're looking at a low signal with a medium probability. Medium and high probabilities are ones to take if you're a moderate to conservative trader or a moderate to medium conservative trader. We're going to execute a trade to the low side here on a low option that currently carries a medium probability according to Proteus analysis, which is a valid trade setup. So we'll hit the buy button at 55 seconds and engage in this low trade here on the 5-minute time frame here on the Euro USD. We'll come back to you shortly with the results. All right, we're back with roughly 12 seconds remaining on this Euro USD 5-minute trade that was taken on the premise of ITM Proteus suggesting a medium probability with a future low trade on the Euro USD. The strategy being followed today is to use ITM Proteus signals of medium and high probability strengths only, and to take into account any fluctuations that may result in a trade becoming unfavorable. We're going to shoot for maybe half an hour's worth of trading here, regardless of whether we are profitable or not, to demonstrate how Proteus can be used cautiously and effectively in a moderate to conservative or moderate to medium conservative trading environment where you're focusing on only the best setups available. So we'll come back to you at the next 5-minute interval. All right, we're back just a few seconds away from the next 5-minute interval. This is the last trade that expired in the money based on a medium strength signal taken off of ITM Proteus. Now, the current signal for this current interval is with a low probability. It is pointing to the downside, a potential short trade, but has a low probability. Since we're trading moderate to conservative, moderate to medium conservative, we will be avoiding this trade since it does not satisfy the probability criteria. All right, back again. We have just a few seconds left to the next 5-minute interval. Avoided the previous one because it had a low probability. Now we're looking at a medium probability trade coming up to the short side here. Proteus has revised its probability outlook for this short move. So since it's within our probability criteria, we will go for a $25 Euro USD 5-minute low here. On the 300-second 5-minute time frame at 55 seconds. We're now going into the trade, and once the trade is in, we will come back to you just before expiry. All right, we're back with roughly 20 seconds remaining on this Euro USD 5-minute short trade. The trade was taken on the basis of ITM Proteus, suggesting a medium probability outcome to the short side here, using ITM Proteus on the Euro USD 5-minute time frame. The chart was set to M1. This trade is now due to expire in a couple of seconds here in the money, as did the previous trade that we took on a medium strength Proteus outlook. Now, what we've demonstrated today is how to use ITM Proteus to select only the best possible opportunities available to you. ITM Proteus gives you a low, medium, or high probability ranking per trade setup available to you within every 5-minute interval. So if you choose medium and high probability setups only, it gives you more of an edge on the short-term time frame because you're essentially ignoring any outcomes that could potentially lead to unfavorable results. You're not taking aggressive stances on the market. You are choosing to go with medium to high probability events only, thereby naturally cutting out bad opportunities that would take your P&Ls down. ITM Proteus is fantastic in this way, and because not only does it provide you a leading indicator on the right-hand side to allow you to gauge what the market is likely to do next based on Proteus analysis right there, and on the left-hand side you have ITM Proteus showing you additional confluence metrics, which are essentially MetaTrader 4 indicators presented to you in a more readable, easy to visualize format that, taking one look at, allows you to assess what the market has done up until this point in time in the past. So you have lagging indicators on the left and you have a leading indicator on the right, and combined you have a very robust trading system that allows you to take effective moves in the market, choosing the probabilities you want. So if you're a very aggressive trader, you would simply ignore the probability ranking shown by ITM Proteus. If you're a moderate to conservative or moderate to medium conservative trader, you would choose to go with medium and high ranking setups only. Thank you.